If your 9th or 10th grader is currently staring at a blank piece of paper, totally paralyzed by their essay assignment, then you know all about the blank page of doom. 99 times out of 100, this is not lack of effort, it's lack of a framework. What is the actual cost of watching capable students struggle with writing paralysis? It's hours of your evening completely lost to frustration and heartbreak. Often it's tension and arguments at the kitchen table. I hate watching great kids lose their academic confidence simply because they don't have a blueprint to follow. So I took the systems I use every day as a master's trained educator and packaged them into the RISE Ultimate Writing Survival Bundle. And I have 7 complete step-by-step modules to hold students' hands through the writing process for nearly any assignment, including the 5-paragraph essay, argument essay, literary analysis, and narrative writing. Additionally, the bundle includes sentence starters to help students write engaging transitions, a cheat sheet for self-grading checklists, a comprehensive guide to formatting an essay. Finally, I walk kids through each of these processes by embedding video tutorials into all the tricky sections. When you're stuck on a project, how reassuring is it to know exactly where to go to get help when you need it? This is what your teen needs. Here's the cost breakdown though. If you were to buy these 7 exact modules individually, the 5-paragraph essay with the brain dump for the topic generator, that kit would be $27. The argument and counterclaim guide with embedded outlines and instructional guides would be another $27. Literary analysis with outlines, quote analysis, structures, and outline quote sandwich method with that visual balance rule, $27. The narrative blueprint that demonstrates show don't tell strategy and the plot structure, $17. Transitions and sentence starters module, which includes the transition word vault and hook sentence starter kit, that's $22. The self-audit checklist to help students do self-assessment for grading, $15. And finally, the formatting your essay, a student's guide to the MLA, that's $12. So this comes out all together for almost $115 of content, plus my years of expertise and figuring out what works for kids in the real world to help them get results. But I want your teen to have this and more success and less frustration. I want them to have the toolkit on their desk tonight so you don't have to have more homework frustration. All of these modules bundled are now just $27 for less than the cost of your Friday night pizza. And you can have your teen, you can give them the tools to write independently. Heck, maybe order the pizza and the bundle and enjoy a little peace and confidence because I love it when kids win.